In the Garden with Mrs. Clark and Clover.
Hi friends, Mrs. Clark here. Welcome to my backyard. I have a friend I want you to meet today, and this is Clover. Can you guys say, hi Clover? Hi boys and girls. He's here to help me today. We thought it would be fun in honor of spring to talk about plants. We will talk about the parts of a plant. We will talk about the 4 things that plants need to survive. Then I thought it'd be fun to plant some seeds and to see how they grow through the springtime. So here we go.
Parts of a plant. First we start with our seeds. Our roots grow down, our stems grow up, our leaves pop through, and then our flower. What 4 things does a plant need? Water, sunlight, soil, which is another name for dirt, air, another name for oxygen.
Hi friends, Clover and I want to say welcome back. We're going to plant our seeds now. First I want to tell you what I need to plant my seeds. So I have this big bag of soil, and it's nice dark rich soil. I have my water with me ready to go. I have these little pots. They came in this package here. And I have my seeds. So I picked out 4 different seeds that I thought we would do today. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fill my pots up with soil. And I'm going to pat my soil down, nice and firm. I'm going to measure about 1/4 of an inch down, maybe in 1/2 inch. Okay? And I'm going to do the rest of my pots.
Pat them down. 1/4 of an inch. And then just gonna finish up my pot. Pat them down. 1/4 of an inch down. And just gonna finish up my pot. Pat them down. 1/4 of an inch down.
Good job. Now, the next thing we're going to do is our seed packets. Now our pots are ready for some seeds. The first seed I'm going to do is a morning glory. So I'm going to spread about 4 or 5 in my hands, and then I'm just going to take them and sprinkle them right inside my pot. Watch closely as I show you the packet of seeds along with the seeds and what they look like up close.
Morning glory, blooms, and seeds.
The second seed we're going to plant is a sunflower seed. These are smaller than your normal sunflower seeds that you would eat. They're called autumn beauties. I'm going to just put 4 or 5 in there, and those are done. Again, watch closely. I want you to think about if they're smaller or larger than our morning glory seeds.
Sunflower blooms and seeds.
The third seed we're going to do is our marigolds. Again, I'm going to put about 4 or 5 in my hand, take my pot, sprinkle them in, and watch again as I show.
Marigold blooms and seeds.
What'd you think? Those were some definitely different seeds, weren't they? The next one we're going to plant are the poppy seeds. So I'm going to take about 5 or 6 because they're really small, and I'm going to put them in the pot, sprinkle them right on top. Take a look at these seed packets.
Poppy blooms and seeds.
As you can see, there's definitely different shapes and sizes, and even a little bit of a difference in color of our seeds. Some were big, some were small, some were tiny, some were long and skinny. It was just fun to see the different ones up close. Now our seeds are all ready to put some soil on them. So I'm just going to fill up our pots to the top. And I just gently put them on there, the soil, and I just gently pat them down so you can see that they're nice and full. And I'm going to do that for each one of our pots.
Cover up the seeds with a blanket, covering them up bright. Nice and warm, safe and tight. Okay, we're going to get a close one.
Now our seeds have all been planted and the soil's on top. And I'm going to take these and I'm going to put them in this nice tray. I did several of them. now they're ready to grow. So Clover and I hope that you enjoyed our session. We want you to be thinking about two things. How soon do you think the stems and the leaves are going to pop through the soil? That's the first question. The second question Clover and I want to know is, which seed do you think is going to pop up first? Do you think it's going to be the poppy because they're the littlest one? Do you think it's the sunflower because they're the biggest one? I don't know. I want you to just think about it. And Clover is going to help me keep an eye on them. They're going to need those four things. We already have the soil. We have the daylight. We have air. And we'll make sure and water them together. Right, Clover? So, we will check back with you and give you an update as we start seeing anything green popping through the soil. We are so excited that you joined us today. We hope you had fun with us, planting some seeds and learning about plants in general. Have a great day, and Clover and I say goodbye. Can you say goodbye to Clover? Until we meet again.